Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys this look right here. I still don't know what to call this look, but I'll obviously have it ready for the title. But if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, I already have my eyebrows on, my primer for my lids, which is my Tarte Shape Tape. I always use that as a primer. And yeah, let's just go in with my James Charles palette. It's the one I've been using at the moment. It's extremely great for any single occasion. I seem to go to this one a lot more now. I would only use my Jaclyn Hill for like every look basically, because it's just that go-to palette, but I think this one replaced it, like, definitely. All right, so I'm gonna be going in with Boutique, and I'm gonna be applying that in my crease. Oops, I already fucked up a little bit. Also, I'm looking this way because I have my mirror this way. I'm just letting you guys know. If you didn't know, I like to pack on my eyeshadow before I start blending it, and I take my time, like literally hell of a long time, making sure I really pack it on so the pigmentation is extremely there, like definitely there. All right, now I'm just gonna do my other eye. All right, now that I'm out here looking like a raccoon, I'm gonna take this clean Wet n Wild brush and I'm gonna go in with You're Kidding to blend out this Boutique color. I also do pack on the color first before I actually start blending everything together. Now I'm gonna start blending this out. All right, I don't know if you can tell, but there's like a harsh line right there. So what I like to do is just go back in with Boutique and apply it on top of that harsh line, and then go back with Are You Kidding, right? Oh, it's You're Kidding, and make sure I blend these two together. But first I like to pack on and blend a little bit that outer edge that has the sharp line right there, and make sure it's really nice and diffused towards the red color. Now I'm just gonna be taking my ABH blending brush, and this will definitely help blend everything more better. Now I'm just gonna be going back and forth with the colors, get it how I want it to be, because I want a little bit more red on this eye. And yeah, I'll just be right back. I'm gonna just, speed up that process. Alright, so I already got this eye how I want it to be, and I'm just gonna cut my crease and finish this other eye also. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the rest of the process. Alright, so now I'm just tapping off the excess product just to make sure I have it really nice and flat for my shade that I'm gonna put on top. And I'm just gonna now put the color white on top just to set my concealer. I just wanted to put white on top and cut my crease just so the glitter has a clean base to go on top. It's just so it'll look nice and cleaner than rather just put on top. At least that's how I feel like it looks better. Now I'm just gonna be taking a little bit of You're Kidding, and I'm gonna be applying that right here on my little outer corner, just to give it that pop of red instead of that darkness that the shade Boutique gives. And now I'm gonna go in with my blending brush and just blend it a little bit, but you still see that little pop of red. All right, so now I'm just gonna be taking my Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art. Yeah, Eye Art. This is like similar to the Stila glitters, except for it's way cheaper. It's like $12 for this whole entire bottle thingy. And yeah, I feel like they work extremely great. Obviously the Stila are better, but these, like, they're a fucking dupe, dude. Like, they really are. If you don't want to waste your money on that, you definitely should buy these. And plus, it's easier than applying loose glitter for Christmas because, you know, it saves you hella of time. So that's how it's looking like so far. I'm just gonna let it dry while I do my other eye. Alright, so I already have both eyes done, and now I'm just gonna go in with ring light and put this as my brow bone. Now I'm just gonna take my blending brush and blend this together. Alright, so now I'm just gonna apply these falsies right here. This is how one looks like. And now I'm just gonna apply the other one. Alright, so this is how my lashes are looking like, and I'm just gonna apply some mascara. Alright, so now I'm just gonna take this off and I'm gonna put on my foundation, and I'll be right back for my under eyes. Alright, you guys, I'm just gonna take Boutique and I'm gonna run that down my lower lash. And also I'm gonna be taking You're Kidding and put that as well. Just repeating the same steps as the top. Alright, so now I'm just gonna be taking ring light and putting that in my inner corner. Now I'm just going to be putting mascara in my lower lashes. Now I'm going to be mixing base with ring light from my James Charles palette and using this as my highlight today. Now I'm going to be lip lining my lips with the Knobby lip liner in the shade Cola. For my lips, I'm going to be taking the LA Colors Matte Pout Lip Gloss in the shade XOXO. Alright, you guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And this is a close-up right here on the eye look. I ended up having to do a voiceover because my husband and my baby were just making too much noise. Well, anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!